I hope you saw all the pictures along the way. That we just didn't do very many videos at all. We did trenching the utilities up some, but we end up doing the installation, the electrical, plumbing, Reni on-demand water heater, 100 amp panel, all the drywall, all the finishing, all the texture, and I think she's going to do what she said she was going to do, the painting, and then she'll get more money later for the trim and flooring. In the meantime, she's going to whitewash. We had a staircase put up here. We put the handrail that she wanted. It was here early on, and she wanted to use it. It's like a deck handrail. And we put in 10 windows with an access for a fan, exhaust fan. We put in the utilities for washer and dryer, which will be a stackable washer and dryer. And we put a the smallest bathtub I put in there. After raising this thing up, it was quite a journey. So you'll get those pictures, I think, before we, like a slideshow in the video.
Tiny tub.
What?
Tiny tub?
Yeah, let's go in there and look at the tiny tub. It's got a exhaust fan here. We end up using the old door by her request, and it has a deadbolt. It's the original door. It needs some gasket on it, but it's still using the original shed door. It's not really a home door. Have places for lighting. We have on upstairs. Everywhere's ready to go. As soon as paint goes on, the trim.
The lights and then the fans.
Yeah,
and the
trim out time.
Cabinets and
She has cabinets ordered. They were supposed to have showed up and haven't showed up, but it'd be a little 20-inch stove and a small sink, and then a little bar. All those things are sometime in the future.
What's going on over here?
Over here. Oh, well. She wants to have a wood heater, and we've elevated it so that she could, she wouldn't have to bend over so much, and she could store wood underneath. So she's got that with hardy board all around it to keep it from cooking the walls and burning stuff. But this is as far as she wants us to go at this point. I'm sure her budget is requiring it. At some point, there's talking about a deck all the way around the outside on the second floor, a door up there, dormer windows, a deck all around the outside on the lower area, and ceramic tile flooring, ceramic tile backsplash. All those things sometime in the future. But in the meantime, you guys get to see what can be done to make a shed into a little home. So pan around, and I guess you already been upstairs.
Yeah, I went up there.
Everything's what she requested. The only thing that was miscommunicated was a staircase. She wants a real steep staircase, but she hasn't made up her mind. She didn't tell me that. That is, she forgot to tell me kind of thing.
That was the first thing we did, actually, because we had to get up there.
But you guys would have the pictures of different phases along the way, how we raised it up. And it was a big adventure and a super nice lady. See you on the next one.